What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're all well. Today we'll be looking at Bitcoin on the daily time frame. If we zoom in a little bit, we can potentially see some rejections to the downside of the 1618 and the 1414. We were saying this in yesterday's update that we're ranging between the two. If we were to get this pump up, we're just expecting to see resistance going forward because we've got the 20 and the 55. These do need testing. So you can see when we spike down here, the 20 EMA was way up here. So it's showing you that it's overextended. We need to form a pattern to come back into it. But just remember, even if we do see amazing green candles over here, it's not enough. This will just be resistance. We have higher levels of resistance, which we'll get into. This is where the capitulation began, right here. So we need to use fibs over there. But even before that, we have some fib levels over here, this golden pocket. And yeah, it was holding a support until you lost it. So when you eventually come back into it, it will act as resistance again. Not only that, if I'm measuring from the top to the bottom, you can see we've got another golden pocket at 19k, between 18.2 and 19k. So once you run into that, you're going to get rejected again. It just means realize that these areas, even if we pump in towards them, you're going to have to get a reaction. So let's say I was bullish, we're all bullish. You still have to understand this is a resistance. And so when you test it, you're going to pull away from it. With that, you can lose this low. Of course, you can form a higher low, but you can lose this low. So that's what I want you guys to realize, that even if we do see green candles on our alts and they are going up 10, 20%, 30%, just realize that we need to take out this high and this high. I hope you tuned into yesterday's Bitcoin update. Thank you if you did. The numbers of you guys actually tuning into the Bitcoin videos is increasing, so I do really appreciate that. Thank you for the continued support. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment. We're so close to 5k subscribers. I'm also doing a giveaway at the moment over on my Twitter, Louis_crypto, for a free course that will teach you from zero knowledge into a self-sufficient trader. It has all the information that I have essentially in it, and you just need to knuckle down and do the work, because if I can do it with that info, you should be able to as well. But you just need to master what is there, the strategies that I was taught, as well as strategies that I came up with myself just from noticing patterns in the market over 4 years. If you want to be taught this, you can just head over to my Twitter anyway and just private message me. I also have one-to-one help where I sit with you, of course, over a video call, and yeah, 10 1-hour lessons with me until you get it essentially. But yeah, continuing with Bitcoin, we can see the one lip fib level is important, guys. If you want to invalidate 13.8 and 14k, which is come from this head and shoulders pattern over here, so that's how we got our target. Put it back on the breakdown, the loss of 18.6k, and that's your target down at 13,600. But we've got some key resistance at the 2414 and the support and 2.272. Yeah, I just wanted to look back to see why I have a green line there. And we can see in the past over here, if we actually go to the weekly time frame and zoom in, so that would be this wick over here. And then of course we have a target a bit lower from this descending triangle all the way down to 10k. If we go to the monthly time frame, that's where we can see the wave one high. So this was the end of the bear market back here in 2018, and we bottomed out in our first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave. So there's a missing fifth wave, but if you come out and take out this high over here, that's not coming. We're going into a longer term bear market, where if this does not hold, understand that it could get uglier, because if this is your resistance, where is your support? All the way between here. So that is your range. It's a really, really, really ugly range. Let's go on the weekly, see if we can see that a bit better. There we go. So this would be your range over here. So if you ever lose that as support, you're coming into here, you got the closes over here. So even if we drop the range down to here, so you can see you will get a bounce off here first, a big F off bounce, but that's resistance. So you also get a bounce off that downwards. It will eventually decide if it's going to go up or down. And then if it's coming down, yeah, you have to look at all these old supports on the chart. There's loads of levels, but yeah, we'll take it as it comes, guys. We won't look at that right now. We'll focus on the here and now. But yeah, if you want more yeah, more content like that, where I'm actually going into depth about the future, where we could actually be going if this fails, then I have already provided videos in my Discord chat, which is again free, and you stay in there until my bull market targets, which, guys, it could be years and years and years and years away. So you would be able to be in